Hello children, welcome to our today's class. Children, we have learned 3 learning activities of English alphabets in our previous class. So let us learn some more activities in our today's class also. See here children, you have to find the small alphabet and write in the box given. Children, let us learn with a little fun. Okay? See here, it's A. Here you have to write small a in the box. But where is small a? Find where it is children. Yes, here it is. It is small a. Now you should write it in the box which is given beside capital A. In this way. A. Next letter is E. Now you should search small e and write in the box. Children, search it. Yes, here it is. Write small e beside capital E. In this way children. E. Now you should search all the remaining letters and write them in the boxes given. G. G. J. J. N. N. Q. Q. U. U. R. R. X. X. Y. Y. Children, complete this activity in this way. Let us see our next activity, children. Here you have to write the beginning sound for each word. See the picture given here children, and their spelling also given. But the beginning letter is missing there. So you should write the beginning sound of the spelling. Here I have given the first letters of all spellings here. You should find it and write it in the box. See the first picture children. What is this? This is a log. L-O-G. The log spelling is here. O and G is written, but beginning sound L is missing. So we should search L for the given options. Here. Yes, we got it. Here is it. L. In this way we should write it here. L. Now let us find other spellings. First letters. It is a car. A and R is there. We should write C here. Here is C. Now write it in the box. C. Next, it is a hat. H-A-T. A and T is there. So we should find H and write in the box here. Here is H. H. See this image, children. This is the sun. Sun spelling is S-U-N. U and N is there. So search for S and write it here. S. Next, it is a key. Its spelling is K-E-Y. Now tell me children, what should we do here? We should write K in this box. Next picture is a box. B-O-X. Box. Which letter is left here? Yes, it is B. So we should write B here. B. Children, let's see what is our next picture. This is a cap. A and P is written there, but C is not there. So we should write C in this box. C. C-A-P, cap. Next picture is a bag. B-A-G, bag. B is left here. So we should write B. Now it is B-A-G, bag. Our last picture is, tell me children, what it is? It is a cat. Yes, C-A-T, cat. Now what should we do children? We should write C in the blank space. Now read it. C-A-T, cat. In this way, children complete this activity with lots of fun. Children, let's finish our today's class. I hope you will do well all the given activities today. And we will do our remaining activities in our next class. Thank you.